cartoon was just a sample of Donald's 60 years of comedy entertainment. And today, we at the House of Mouse honor him.
And you thought Mickey was out to get you with another prank.
How about that?
Oh, Pumbaa!
Donald, where are you going?
You just keep eating these stink bugs, Piggy. Yeah, you're in training.
Oh, I told you to stop it.
You're chickening out here, Duck. Well, forget it.
Out of my way, Fatso.
Pumbaa, you're alive!
That's right! Donald saved me!
Wow, not only is he my pal, he's a hero.
The hero through and through! Except for just now when he teamed up with Pete to wreck the club.
Oh, alright, that's it.
Donald?
Oh, that was a secret. Timon, I should tell you I got a rumbly in my tumbly.
He's gonna blow! Okay, oh god! No! No! Sutard! Sutard, no! No! What happened? Look what happened to them! Okay, they're safe for now. Their house is blowing up. Run her. Get back here. People that die, the better. Like I said, it'll get less laggy. I wonder if we'll... Nope. 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 You'll see all of them start turning around, too. They all just start turning around. I love that so much. It's not even because of me. I get lost in the crowd.
Something great's going on. Exio, let's go. Exio.
Let's fly, Dumbo.
I can't smell anything anyway.